Introducing Optimum Touchless Decon Wash, the ultimate 3-in-1 solution for washing, foaming pre-wash, and a heavy-duty decontamination. Its pH neutral is safe for all vehicle surfaces, including ceramic coatings, vinyl wraps, and paint protection films. Use it as a touchless car wash. Just spray, rinse, and dry for a quick, effortless maintenance. Add 4 ounces to 32 of water in a foam cannon, apply the foam, let it dwell for about 5 minutes to break down the tough dirt, grime, and contaminants. For a deeper cleaning, use it as a heavy-duty decontamination wash. Simply add 1 ounce to 2 gallons of water in the bucket, soak the Optimum Big Red Sponge, and use it for a contact wash after foaming the vehicle. This method provides the ultimate prep for polishing or ceramic coat application. With the Optimum Touchless Decon Wash, you get a super strong yet safe solution that cleans without stripping waxes, sealants, or coatings, leaving surfaces residue-free and ready for protection. Whether you're washing cars, motorcycles, or boats, this versatile formula works great on paint, plastic, glass, and wheels. Achieve professional results with quick, easy dilution ratios. For instance, 4 ounces to 32 in a foam cannon, or 2 ounces to 32 in a foam sprayer. 1 ounce to 2 gallons for heavy-duty washes. It's the Optimum Touchless Decon Wash, offers powerful cleaning and unmatched convenience for ceramic coating prep and maintenance. Touchless, powerful, ready for anything. Choose Optimum Touchless Decon Wash for your next wash because every detail counts. Wash smarter, shine brighter.